Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, we're on our way to test McDonald's snack wrap. Check this out. So here we are, about to pick up these wraps. Look at that right there. One of the most talked about things this year. Let's check it out. So here we go, let's try this out. This one is the spicy one. I think it's not even wrapped properly. Look at this. My goodness. Man. Let's see what it tastes like. Bunch of lettuce, like tons of lettuce. Look at that. Come on, kid, shut up. No sauce, just a bunch of lettuce. Looks like it's a chicken McNugget. Bunch of lettuce. Look at that. It's got a little bit of spice to it, but nothing much. This one is the ranch. Got loud ass kids over there too. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, this one is even worse. Like a mini McNugget, a chicken strip or something. Bunch of lettuce, let's taste this. Nothing to talk about. Nothing to write home about. Got lemonade. Okay, lemonade's lemonade. But folks, didn't pass my expectations at all. Until next time.